Hey guys, good evening. What's going on tonight? It's actually Sunday evening. I'm doing this mail call. I do not have a beer today, but I just got done dinner, so I figured I'd have some coffee. And I'm using my trusty Mr. McStash cup. Gotta love it. Nice hot coffee. Look, spill proof. This thing is awesome. Put some hot coffee in here, throw it in your saddlebag. You ain't gotta worry about it spilling all over the place. Alright, so first one is from Ozarks HD Riders. I'm still using the little Swiss Army thing, but I'm going to use the scissors this time. Okay. Maybe I won't use the scissors this time. Okay. They don't cut worth a shit. Nail file again. There we go. There's the little knife. Alright. Let's see if I can cut the letter again this time. Shall we? I've cut the letter twice so far. Yeah, let me just go this way. Screw it. So I don't cut the letter. Alright. Alright. Well, I got two different stickers. Ozark HD Rides. I like that. I really like that. They're cool stickers. You got a couple poker chips here. Hey, goofy bastard, I hope you're doing well, brother. Here's the stickers I promised you. I just love your channel. I need to put my glasses on. Cracks me up. You have a great channel, too. Ride safe, brother. Eyes. Alright, so let's take a look at poker chips. I love the orange on this one. This one's cool. Love the color. Oh. Alright. We got that side. And on the back side, we got a photo. You see that? That is cool. That is really cool. I like that. He's got two custom chips. Look at that, man. You the man. Okay. Dude, I love these chips. They're awesome. I really do. I like that picture. Wish I would have thought about doing something like that. That's cool. Alright, so alright. So this one is from Whiskey Chaser in New York, New York. So, and you guys know, Whiskey Chaser knows he rides a Sportster around New York City, and he just picked up a Yamaha Bolt. So, alright. Hey, look, I like this because it's in big print, so I can actually read this without glasses on. Hey, buddy, thanks for the swap. Can't wait to come check out PA soon and come ride with you. Stay safe, brother. Whiskey Chaser, a.k.a. Chase. And he's got a matte sticker, which is nice. And he's got a hologram sticker. Woohoo. Look at the rainbows in the light. Woohoo. And he's got... And it's got a barcode. On the back. If I wasn't filming with my camera, I would check out the barcode. If I wasn't filming with my phone, duh, I got a camera on my phone. But if I wasn't filming with my phone, I'd check out the QR code. But I'll check that out when I'm done. That's cool. Thank you, sir. All right. Next one we got is from Wind.Road.Therapy in Florida. So this came to me, and it was sliced open on the bottom. As I was walking out of the post office, I had a poker chip fall out. So I was able to get the poker chip. So see, poker chip fell out. That's just what happened at the post office. Okay, cool. That's nice. That's Hey, goofy bastard. Thanks for following along with my adventures. Damn, I really need to bring my glasses in here with me next time. You know what? I'll read that later. Once I have my glasses on. So, sorry about that. Sorry I couldn't read it. Oh, we got, let's see, what's this? Happy Dentist promo. Didn't give me all the number. I can't call it a dentist. That's probably, when she had the poker chips taped to. Alright, so here we go. We got our sticker here. She rides a Kawasaki, and I found out she drives a Durango just like I do. So, she got good taste in vehicles, and she got her camper behind her. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool sticker. Alright. I really need to bring my glasses out here. So, we got the red one. It's from Orlando Harley in Orlando, Florida. It's been a long time since I've been to Florida. I really need to go back there. Always have a good time going down there. It's the back of it. Wow. And I'll tell you what, I'll put that on. I can't read that. I'll put that on the screen where it's from. But it's a cool chip. I like the yellow as well. So, yeah, I will bring my glasses out next time. All right, so this one is from Homebeez. We have sticker swap. I have sticker swap with them before. They got a really good channel. They have a good time with each other. I love their one mail call they had. She was on the back of the bike backwards reading the mail. I thought that was a pretty cool idea. Hey, we got some ads. Look at that. Let's see what's on sale today. Where's this at? Cool. Just good. Well, in one of my videos, I said, oh shit, look at that. I said that I liked and I collected pens. Oh, not even in frame. So, they made me a pen. Oh, there's another one in here as well. But, yeah, it says Goofy Bastard. It has my new sticker emblem on there. And another one. This is cool. Hold on, let me. Nice and comfortable in the hand. Dude, I'm going to be using these. Let's see what this one looks like. Oh, cool. and it's a Homebeez. That is so awesome. Oh man, I can't thank you guys enough. That is awesome. Uh, I think I might have found me a new bill paying pen. There you go. I'll alternate between Homebeez and Goofy Bastard to pay bills. Yeah, I'm old fashioned. I write out bills. Uh, that is awesome. Thank you very much. All right, let me put these stickers up on the board, and I'll get right back at you. All right, guys, here's the board. We have Ozarks, both these two. We have Wind.Road.Therapy, and we have Whiskey Chase. Look at that. It's all kind of shiny and stuff. I love those things. All right, guys. So if you have sent me stuff and I have not sent anything to you back, please let me know. I'll get it right out to you. I've been lazy. I'm in the middle of doing it. I was doing them before dinner, and after I finish this video, I'm going to go back and finish up the ones I had to get out. So yeah, if or even if you want to do a sticker swap, please hit me up. Let me know. Hit me up either on here on YouTube or on Instagram. My Instagram is Goofy_Bastard1, which is there. All right, guys. So until next time, my friends, stay safe. Love one another. Peace.